Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn off or not allow generative AI features to be used by your project and team members on Wrike. So let us guide you through this. So guys, here in your Wrike account you will need to log in. Click into your profile icon in the top left and choose settings. Inside your account settings on the left hand side, navigate to, let me find it, to settings here on the left hand side under AI usage and above security. So here guys, scroll down till you get to generative AI section here and make sure that you enable generative AI features. So turn off this feature to not allow it, and you can do the same for the feature called enable AI agents, so turn it off as well. You can only disable this one if you like and keep the other one enabled, but if you turn off this one here, the other one will be turned off as well. So guys, that's up to you how you handle it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.